Hey guys, you're going to have an unusual perspective. And what I'm going to try and do is demonstrate this arm balance technique. And I have a caveat. My right shoulder had a sort of an unfortunate last year. I think it's coming back. So if it doesn't quite go as well as I hope, well, please bear with me. I'll try and get better for the next one. So for this one, you can kind of start from a plank position. And then kind of curl up a little. What I like to do is hook one knee across one elbow. I am familiar with the difference between knees and elbows. So this knee on this elbow, the other arm, your elbow is going to kind of dig into your ribs. So you got to firm up your abs. And then just gently lift the rear foot. Let's see how well we do. Oh, another thing I've had luck with is canting the other hand. Not quite 90 degrees, but a little ways over. So, and then lift the feet. I got it. Okay, let's see if I'm lucky enough to do it on the other side. This was the troublesome side. Sorry, my wife's food collection is in the way. Let's see how well we do. So on this side, this hand would cant over. And you brace yourself for that elbow coming in your belly. It's a little of an awakening. So, I was able to get one. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.